Hello dear Fastmatic friends, today we are studying surface units in our international system of units. Let's go! First of all, we have to say that this chart is almost the same chart for the length units. But here, instead of meters, we have meters squared. And decimeters squared, centimeters squared, millimeters squared, and decameters squared, hectometers squared, and kilometers squared. We must also say that 1 hectometer squared is also named 1 hectare, and a decameter squared is called an air. The main unit, the meter squared, and to the right, smaller units are the submultiples, and to the left, bigger units are the multiples. It is very important to say that for surface units, the chart will have 2 places for each abbreviation. 2 places for this abbreviation, 2 places for this abbreviation, because remember, when we had length units, we had only 1 number for each abbreviation, but here you are going to write 2 numbers for each abbreviation. So if you only have 1 number, you're going to write the number to the right side for each abbreviation 2 places. Remember it. Very important. Let's see some examples. Convert 5 hectares to meters squared. No. Convert 5 hectares. No. Convert 5 hectares to meters squared. So we are going to find first of all the decimal point. If we can't see it, it is at the end of the number, and here it is written hectares. So you find the end of the abbreviation hectares, you put there the decimal point. You see that to the left you have 1/5, and you have to go to meters squared. So you erase the decimal point from there and you put it at the end of the abbreviation of meters squared. And you are only filling the blanks with zeros, and that's it. The answer is 50,000 meters squared. Now another exercise, 72 earths to kilometers squared. First of all, you identify the decimal point. If it is not written, it is at the end of the number. Earth. The end of the abbreviation earth is here. And you can see that to the left you have 2/7. So 2/7 to the left of the decimal point. Now you erase the decimal point and you go to the end of the kilometers squared abbreviation. So here you put the decimal point and you fill the blanks with zeros. So the answer is 0.0072 kilometers squared. Another example, 8.5 decimeters squared to millimeters squared. So you identify the decimal point, you write it at the end of the decimeters squared abbreviation. You see that you have 1/5 written to the right and 1/8 written to the left. Now you erase the decimal point and you pass it to the end of the millimeters squared abbreviation. You fill the blanks with zeros, and the answer is 85,000 millimeters squared. Finally, convert 0.07 centimeters squared to meters squared. So you identify the decimal point, you put it at the end of centimeters squared. To the left you see 1 0, to the right you see 0.7, and you pass the decimal point, you erase it, to the end of the meters squared, and you fill the blanks with zeros. The answer will be 5 zeros and 1 7. 0.00007 meters squared. And that's it, dear friends. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time here in ARITHMETIC.